I will leave a link in the description to me buying this and you seeing the reveal and what's inside. And this is going to be the installation for the fridge and freezer, getting rid of all the nitty gritty packaging parts. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. Smash a like, let me know what you think to this in the comments, and of course if you are new, subscribe if you are new. Let's get straight into this, no delays. Go!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
So I'll save them for later. I'll show you what we get inside this. Just a quick information that you didn't know, I didn't know, they now put these things on wheels. Now you're thinking, oh, these silly, like they didn't put them on wheels before. Well, I know, the separate ones when you buy a chest and a little fridge, and they don't put them on wheels, so I was quite surprised. Of course, it makes sense to put them on wheels because for a transition from one place to the other, but I was really impressed. He's such a good make and model, guys. If you want it, go get it. And yeah, no, I'm not advertising for them. I just really want you to have a decent freezer. And fridge freezer, if you don't want it in red, you can, like I said, you can get it in white, you can get it in black, you can get it in silver. Go, go, go!
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Here we go, installation of the freezer bit.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Dessert, which I'll leave a link in the description for. That was so fun to make and I still not had it.
So alive, make it last forever. Stopping hold tight. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
So guys, that is the installation of my food in my freezer and the installation of my fridge. Yeah, there's literally not much in it, and a bit of drink in there. So, oh, I missed a bit. Oops, that was for the light, I take it. See, good, isn't it? So that will go in the bin. And I think I did a pretty good job. Very nice and simple, guys. This fridge freezer is out of this world. Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Go on, give it a rate, let me know what you like about this. Give it a like, comment down below what your best features are of this, and of course subscribe if you're new.